Dust on the lens. It's not a good start. Hi guys, we're out at Warmley Forest where there's this tarmac area, probably an old car park or something. It's not perfectly smooth, but I'm going to try the New Bright Ferrari out on it with the speed app, just so we can get some idea of what it does. Now somebody's going to say, how fast does it go with the old batteries? Well, the trouble with the old batteries is I wasn't getting any range with it. So we've got a LiPo battery in there, 2S LiPo. I'll use my hat camera as well. My bit of fluffy stuff on there to reduce the wind noise, in case anybody ever wondered what that was for. So there's no proportional throttle or anything, it's just normal toy grade, full speed and left and right, and there's dust on that lens again. Right, maximum speed 0, average speed 0. .59 maximum, not terribly exciting, so that's more or less what I expected. Not very fair either, because it's not very smooth, is it? I'll just go over there a little bit. Yeah, same. Try again. Spot on the same again, 5.59 and 4.26 average. Right, so the benefit of the main camera. I don't know if it'll see that. 5.59 maximum. That's 2 separate runs, did the same both times. Just for a bit of comparison, we'll let the Lamborghini go as well. Right. Right, Lamborghini 7.82. Show the main camera. Lamborghini showing us, can we get the light off the thing? 7.82. All that bouncing around. Still 7.82. Oh, a bit better. 8.38 maximum there. Right, can you see that? .38 maximum that time. It's much too bouncy here though, too uneven.
No, I didn't wait it on the mud.
So, quick summary. Ferrari is lighter, but it's also got a lightweight motor in it. This one's going about 2 to 3 miles an hour faster, which still isn't very fast. That was 8.38 miles per hour, I think, maximum. I can't remember what that was. Was it 5 point something? That one cost me £1.50. That one cost me £1.99. Neither of them have got the right transmitter. so they both struggle a bit. This really isn't smooth enough. There's too much muck on it, gravel, dirt, all sorts. But the place I wanted to go and try it, the football, hard surface football pitch, they were playing football on it, so I couldn't go there. That is a nice surface. It's rubberized, so you get a good grip on it anyway. So yeah, they both work. That one's faster, heavier, better quality. That one's still fun. Yeah. For what it cost me, can't complain. And they're both running on LiPos, 2S LiPos. Just in case you're wondering why I didn't do a head-to-head race, well, quite apart from the fact I'd have to drive two of them at once, they're both 40 megahertz, so I can't actually race them together. I'd have to change out one of the receivers. But clearly, that one's faster anyway.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.